Get ready to turn up with the big boys. Live fast, die young, that's my joy, my joy, my joy. Keep it living.
Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I just been in the middle of like moving and just got my first little studio apartment on my own. So yeah, but this video is about this hair color. I really wanted to try and do this, and I feel like I did a decent job. It's like a light pink, almost like it looks peachish now that I'm really looking at it. But I was going for this pink color that I've seen some girl on Instagram with. I'll insert the picture so you guys can see what I was trying to go for. But this was a blonde 613 wig that I had for my birthday. I had a blonde wig and I had toned the roots like real dark. So I decided to change the color, especially because it's summer, do something fun and cute with it. So if you want to see how I achieved this color, just continue to watch. Today, I've decided that I want to dye my blonde wig a nice, pretty pink color. This is my birthday wig. I had it installed for my birthday in February. I had already toned the roots dark, so that's cool. And I'm just gonna add, like, I want it to be very light pink. I don't want it to be dark. I want it to be like almost barely there, but like hints of pink, you know? I'm going to be using the Cotton Candy. It looks really bright pink. Look how pretty that is. So maybe I'll just try putting this a little bit in there first. I already boiled the water. As you can see, it's hot. Boiling hot. I'm doing this on my floor because it'll be safer. So I probably need some more water in there. I don't know. Well, let's see. Actually, I should probably mix that up. Yep. Add a little more. It looks purplish, don't it? All right, let's see how this looks first before I add any more, because I really don't want it to be like dark at all. I want it to be very light and pretty. I don't even think that did anything. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. It's very, very light. Yeah, that's not doing much of anything. Okay. Let me add some more. Okay, let me just put the whole thing in there. Leave it in there for like 2-3 minutes, see if anything happens. All right, let's let it sit. All right, look, y'all. It's like hinted, like a little hint of pink, but not like OD pink. But number 4, of course. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I added some more. Now I'm just gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes, and then that should be enough. That should be like a good enough pink, honestly. Let's see. Okay, look guys. It's wet. I put some conditioner in it. And then we'll see how it looks once it dries. Stay tuned. All right, it is drying. I washed out the conditioner and the color looks just how I like it so far. I'm so excited. Oh my God. It came out so perfect. So perfect. I love it. It's the perfect light pink that I was trying to go for. And I just put some little wand curls in it real quick. I don't want to do it straight. I wanted to give it a little bit of body. But you guys can let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah.